year 2014-15. It's a great occasion to share my feelings and experiences on this memorable day. First of all, I would like to thank my parents who have nurtured me into a good human being. It is because of their consistent support and affection I stand before you. I have always aspired to be an IAS officer or an officer in the defense forces, and I feel proud to say today that I've been selected as a commissioned officer in the Indian Army. From being an unguided teenager to a guided gentleman, this is what I have learned in 4 years at Acharya Institutes. These 4 years has been best part of my life. When I first came to Bangalore, I was a bit apprehensive. I knew I'm going to a bigger city, a better city, the better cities in India, and one of the best colleges in the states. But students, when I met in first year, they were very kind and welcoming, smart and creative, athletic and determined. The campus was just awesome, and the facilities provided in the hostel were state of art. We had opportunity to mingle with thousands of students from different parts of the world, share their strengths, culture, opinions, and passions. As many of us will enter a career life with responsibility, we'll come to know the significance of the time that has now gone. I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. H.D. Maheshappa sir, who has been strict yet guided us in a friendly way. I would also take this opportunity to thank our HOD sir, Professor R. Vivekananda sir, who has consistently pushed me to achieve greater heights. He was there for any help I needed. He gave me permission to attend SSB interviews, be it paper presentation or quiz competition. I would also like to thank all my teachers, professors of electrical department and the other departments of AIT. It is because of their guidance with professional touch, molded with human values, that you see me standing here in front of you. They have helped me whenever I stumbled, patted me when I achieved, advised me when I faced problems, guided me when I was in doubt, and most of all, they showered their love upon me. Apart from studies, we were given a lot of opportunities to de-stress ourselves. We are fortunate to have number of industrial visits, and we are also lucky to have visited many number of power plants. I would like to thank the department for organizing workshops, paper presentations, forum activities, and sports. It is because of these activities our confidence level has been boosted, and we are able to work in any situations hereafter. I would especially like to thank the Training and Placement Department of our college, especially Bhushan sir, Mamta ma'am, Iqbal sir, for their consistent effort to get us placed. We are fortunate enough to have such dedicated personalities in our Training and Placement Department who has arranged pre-placement training that has helped us a lot in getting placed. Again, we are all thankful to Training and Placement Department. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank the visionary of Acharya Institutes, respected B. Premnath Reddy sir, for creating a congenial, eco-friendly, lush green and beautiful campus dedicated purely for education, providing all necessary facilities to make our stay comfortable at Acharya campus. Habba is a good time to relax. It is a tradition that wherein we are given full responsibility to make it happen. It's a good time to work with students of different disciplines under teachers' guidance. I would also like to thank the sports department for giving us such a good infrastructure, sports department and the administration for giving us such an well-equipped sports facilities, and also a newly built the indoor stadium. I would like to thank my friends with whom I have spent 4 years of my life. We had arguments, misunderstandings, but all those have helped us to create respect for each other, and mutual understanding and concern for each other. These were the best part of my life that I have spent with you guys. Thank you for being with me whenever I needed you. On behalf of 2015 batch, we are and we will be proud to carry the brand name of Acharya Institute of Technology. By your conduct outside or wherever or whichever part of the world we may be, we'll carry the brand name of Acharya Institute of Technology. We will always be there for the support and guidance in terms of placements, academics and advice required from time to time to our juniors. It is a time for us to set our goals. Before that, however, we need a vision, a dream. Over the next few years, we may end up in different companies or go for higher studies. No matter what our dream is, we can get there with the dedication, determination, and focus that we have learned while here at Acharya Institute of Technology. Friends, I would like to quote from one of the famous work from one of the Kannada poets. It says, Odi Brahmanagu, Kadi Kshatriyanagu, Shudra Vaishyane Agu, Dudidu Galisi Yenadaru Agu, Yenadaru Sariye Mudalu Manavanagu. Friends, I have taken this from VTU logo. Yes, it is true that as per the wishes of the poet, it is very essential that the first thing we need to learn is to be a human being. In fact, a great human being. To conclude, I would like to say that it is my dream that when I visit Acharya campus next time, I want to see it as Acharya University. Thank you so much to all organizers for giving me the opportunity to express my view as a valedictorian for the year 2014-15. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amit, for your mind-blowing talk. Now, we are at the successful completion of 12th graduation ceremony of Acharya Institute of Technology. Any celebration is incomplete without thanking the people who strived hard to make this event happen. In this regard,